What's up people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video will probably be a fail because I am a failed person, but I just want to say that I was going to be using Notepad to do typing. Sorry about that, my mum just ruined my video once again. Anyway, what I was saying is, oh my gosh, okay. Are you finished? I just started. Okay, so she's getting a bit bored because I'm taking a while. But anyway, I was going to be doing Notepad, but it kind of failed and I forgot like all the things to do. So anyway, Scarlette got locked out of her other account, so she's using, I guess this is a backup, or another account, I don't know. Anyway, in today's video, we're going to be creating a new account, which I'm going to get on with now. And we're going to be acting like rich braggers and like saying, oh my god, I got this for Christmas, and like acting all rich and, you know, braggy. So, what is kind of like a rich looking thing? Let's see, blue eyes. Yeah, that looks great. So I'll be back when I'm finished. So I'm finishing my account. My username is Golden Girl Forever and the password is lol123. Like always. Sorry, I'm just gonna turn it down. So there's Scarlette. Let's. Yes, you look hot. You do too. Okay, let's get some nice golden like shoes. By the way, I never thought I'd say this, but this color is kind of cute actually. I don't know why, it just is. But, okay, are you ready? No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Okay, let's get the, oh no, what have I done? Okay. Oh, okay. So, yeah. Okay, so we're like at the beach and I'm like so lucky. OMG, guess what I got for, wait.
Oh.
For Christmas. Okay, let's see. Sorry if it's boring. I got a horse, a new bike, a pool, and a laptop. I got a horse, a new bike, a pool, and a laptop. Think she's on to us. Yeah. Okay. So, do you have a pool with a unicorn? Same. He says, guess what I got? I got a huge, wait, hold on. I also got an iPhone 8. I don't even know what that is, but I also got an iPhone 8. I don't even know if that's a thing. I think it is though, because I've had someone that has it like, this is the cringiest friendship ever. I got the newest iPad. Rich much. OMG girl, I got one too, I think. Wait, what did she say? Okay. I got so much money though, like 800 US dollars. Wait, no, New Zealand dollars. NZ dollars. I got so much money though, like 800 NZ dollars. And me and Golden got like 200 presents. Oh my gosh, this is going so well. Congrats, no one asked and I donated money. Ew, who donates money when you can have it to yourself? Like, ew. Ew, no. They're gonna hate me for this, I literally know it. Oh my gosh. Yes, true that. Okay, how old are you people? Like 5? This is really funny though, I have to say. Also, I forgot to say shout out goes to Scarlette, so go sub to her YouTube channel. I finally remembered is Scarlette Destiny, so yeah, go do that, please. It would make me and her so happy. There was a problem connecting to the chat room. What? What? No. Okay, I'm just gonna log out and then log back in really quick. So I'll be right back. Sorry about the wait, but MSP was being so glitchy. So golden girl forever. Sorry if there's some background noise. It's just my mum talking to her cat forever. Okay. Lol 1 2 3. Like literally anyone can have this. I really don't care. Let's go in and get started again. So my status is I got so many presents. Well, you can read it. So let's find Florida Beach. Oh my gosh, I need a crown. Well, I only have like 4 minutes left. What? Okay. I forgot to say Mum bought me a new, let's think, a new, I'm on 11:47 minutes. Oh no. Well, I'm on 6:27. Okay, I forgot to say my mum bought me a new boyfriend. What am I doing? And she got me a limo, although I'm 12 and I can't drive, but it's got me a limo for when I'm older. And she got me a limo for when I'm older. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but I don't care. Wait, where you at? Florida, honey. I'm at Florida. Come find me in Florida. Let's see. Okay. Oh, Kaya, I don't know. I'm like so rich. I need another pool, and then I might be happy. Let's think. What should I say? Florida, honey. Right. Okay. We all cur. Okay. Look, you people are like cheap kids. Look, you people are like cheap kids. They probably think I'm like a 5-year-old or a 7-year-old or something. Everyone here is a whore. Well, you're not perfect. Yes, I am. Oh my god, this is so funny. Probably one of the funnest videos I made. Okay. Well, you're not perfect. Yeah, I am. Okay, let's see. Haha. Can my high heels hurt you? Take that. So I said, excuse me, don't call me a troller, because she thinks that we're trolling. Yeah, we're trolling, but you're not supposed to realize that. Okay, so where does she go? Invite. Yeah. Go to Bunny Cafe. Okay, hold on, I'm just gonna tell them that it was a prank. So I told them Shout out goes to Cute Ruffles 101 for being like our main target, and well, my main target, and Mintia for finding out about it. So I'm going to the bunny cafe now. Let's go to the cafe. I've got 5 minutes left to record, so yeah. Okay. I just burped, yeah. But I'm a person, I can burp if I want to. Oh no, that girl's there and she was part of it. Okay, Gold Cafe. Oh, perfect, the Gold Cafe. I'm in the Gold Cafe because I'm rich and you are poor. Let's see what their reactions are. Everybody here looks so ugly apart from me. Oh my gosh, reply. Let's try to get to another level actually so that we can find some more stuff to use. Please don't be really loud, please. Okay, there's nothing that I want there. But, yep, I'll just take that then. Shopping. It's always harder to get up levels when you're on level 3, isn't it now? Seems like that anyway. Okay. Well, anyway. So anyway, I think I'm gonna end my video here because, yeah, because I can and because I want to. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Charlotte's channel as well, Scarlette Destiny. I just called her Charlotte, didn't I? Scarlett, I mean. Even if I did, I don't know. So, yeah, please go. Oh, and by the way, just a heads up, my boyfriend here. Wait, that's not my boyfriend. Go on to my thing. My boyfriend, it's a girl with a boy account, and I don't know. I just like him because he's, well, her, because she's, oh, I keep saying he, because she's so cute. Like, okay, that was really weird. Anyway, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you all later. Bye. Also, my voice is kind of breaking, but anyway, bye.